Ndugu Tamale says that does police have a report on the arrests and lives lost during elections? I have not been given that information yet, but if it ever comes out, I will certainly share it. At the moment, I don't have this information, but I will be eager to share it as soon as it reaches my desk. Ndugu Tamale went ahead and asked about police occupying the home of former presidential candidate Chagulanyi. We are still having presence around the precincts of his home, like I shared earlier, and I have also shared before that we are doing it for security reasons, in the interest of the security of the country. The question as to what offense has he committed, if he commits a very particular offense, like I said earlier when I was talking about these issues, we would certainly either invite him to police or arrest him and take him to court. But at the moment, just know that they are very specific operational postures around his premises in the interest of national security.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.